दोस्ती भी है और एक कम्युनिटी की रूह भी। Before we begin with the formal evening, we would like to call on stage Indian Association of Minnesota current president Sri Vidya Vaidyanathan, last year IAM president Meena Bharati, ladies and gentlemen, before I invite our chief guest and the eminence on the stage tonight, I take this huge pleasure in announcing that today amongst us we have Mrs. Universe Petite Rashmi Nair. Woo! Mrs. Rashmi Nair, reigning Mrs. USA Petite USA 2025 and Mrs. Bharat USA Universe, now heads to Manila, Philippines to represent at the Mrs. Universe pageant with many exciting endeavors ahead. Woohoo! Way to go! I will now request Shambhavi Gupta to walk Dr. Dash, our guest of honor, and eminence Mahendranath ji on the stage, please. Last but not least, I will now call the one-man army, the one person who has got us all here together, and the single soul behind the concept of Sur Aur Taal, Mr. Santosh Sharma. We'll formally kickstart our celebrations with the age-old auspicious tradition of lamp lighting. For obvious reasons, fire and safety, as our avoidance reasons, we'll be doing this the electronic way. Modern times call for modern measures, right? I now request Santosh to formally welcome Indian Association. Vidya. I would like Vidya and Meena ji to come on stage and light the lamp too. I now request Santosh to formally welcome Indian Association President Sri Vidya Vaidyanathan and last year IAM President Meena Bharati ji. Mrs. Universe Petite USA 2025 Rashmi Nair to welcome Mahendranath ji and Shambhavi Gupta to welcome Dr. Dash, please. all know, Sur Aur Taal has completed 10 years. To commemorate that, Sur Aur Taal has decided to honor and felicitate 10 community leaders who have inspired Sur Aur Taal to do many events during these past 10 years. I will now call our eminent invite guests whom we will be felicitating tonight on the stage. These are names from our community and our city that need no introduction at all. First up, Dr. Dash. Thank you so much, sir, for being here. Ranji, thank you so much. And in no order of any preference, I invite Sushmi Agarwal, Head of Meet Indeed. Can you please turn off the sound? Thank you. Manoj Prabhu, ex-President Malayali Association of Minnesota 2022 MMA. Srini Chetta, ex-President Indian Association of Minnesota. Vivek Kamran, General Secretary, but as we all know, really the man behind Gita Ashram. Hidesh Patel, ex-President Gujarat Samaj of Minnesota 2022. Dashrath Yata, Face of Seva. Renu Kumar, Kathak Queen, the dancing diva of MNRGK Dance Academy. We also had Mr. Ram Gada Mahigaru and a couple other leaders who unfortunately couldn't make it owing to unavoidable circumstances and conflicts. The felicitation award they'll be getting this evening is called Sur Aur Taal's Community Role Model Award. These leaders have inspired Sur Aur Taal to do events towards community service and directly supported and encouraged Sur Aur Taal events during these past 10 years. This felicitation is purely from Sur Aur Taal's point of view. To felicitate these community role models, I'll now call upon our sponsors and our supporters who have always championed and advocated for Sur Aur Taal's cause and events. I want to ensure that our PowerPoint slides are running while I invite our champions on stage. Thank you so much. Every leader here is truly an inspiration. Their journeys and stories have so much to teach us. Honestly, we would have loved to give each one of them the mic to share their experiences directly with you. But given the time we have today, we will be celebrating them together as a group, as one big tribute. So I ask you, each time my name is called, please make sure your applause is louder than words, because while they may not have the mic today, your claps will be their voice this evening. We will now have our community supporters felicitate our community heroes with our Sur Aur Taal trophy and medal. For Dr. Dash, Hetal Gatecha. Mahendranath Ji Deepti Singh. Deepti Singh. Thank you so much. Sushmi Agarwal, Pradeep Sukhani. Manoj Prabhu, Snehalata Singh. Cheka Kasi Buridi. Vivek Kamran, Shashank Dhadpale. Hitesh Patel, Rupal Patel. Dashrath Yata, Amit Boradia. Renu Kumar, Uday Domaraju.
Sorry, your counterpart is not here, so we apologize, but you be here, please.
We want to introduce 3 new names to our Suratal family. I'm sure some of our celebrations family is here, so I would like to encourage you to give a round of applause to the names that we're going to see now. Dev Shinde, Shima Kapil, and last but not least, Shweta Garia. Could we please have you guys on stage here? Welcome, Renuji. Thank you so much, Shweta. And for Renu Kumar, Dev is not there. Yes. Uday, don't write. Sure. It's 10 years and it's an important milestone. I would now request Santosh to say a few words.
Actually, the right order, if you allow me, should be that we should have, Dr. Dash and seniors go first. Maybe we should have Dr. Dash and Mahindra Naji is here. If they say a few words, then I can add. Thank you so much. I'm sorry, but I hope. Dr. Dash, if you would like to speak a few words.
Say something?
Yes.
Namaste and good evening. I'd like to sincerely thank you all. I have been seeing you again and again and again. What that means, you like to preserve and promote our rich heritage and culture. That's what my foundation, Dr. Das Foundation, stands for, to preserve and promote our rich heritage and culture. Soro Dhoni, Gita Nacho. Eitaku onek loka mane chance paunati to have a main floor, to dance, to sing. And this is what Santosh inspired and started. My sincere thanks to Santosh and his team. Give a hand, give a clap please. We are real proud of the people, those who really promote our rich heritage and culture. When I came to the school at South Dakota State, one thing I learned. People like to preserve and promote the rich heritage and culture. I was attending Sons of Norway. And every month, because my host family, they still preserve and promote the Norwegian culture. So keeping our culture means lot. And this particular country, USA, is great to helping us to preserve and promote our culture at city level, at county level, at state level, at national level. Those who are, many are here. They asked me, Dr. Das, what you have done? I said it is available, just tap the resources. Our city supports, our county supports, our state supports, our country supports to preserve, promote our rich heritage and culture. Please tap those resources. IIM gets money and I don't take money for any reason because whatever I do, I give it to 501c3. So I have been doing since 1979 and to help this thing. Please keep up our good work and again sincerely thank you all for helping preserve and promote our rich heritage and culture. Thank you. God bless you.
Mahindra Naji.
I think there's no more speeches, long speeches, etc. So I'll make it very short. First of all, to be a chief guest on something musical, I think aapne kisi naadi ko pakad liya. But sur or taal. I was kind of wondering, as I said, I'm not from music school. So to me, I read someplace, I heard something. Sur means melody and taal means rhythm. So S&T organization, which our friends started 10 years ago, I think it's a great medium of promoting our culture, Indian culture and heritage. And I think it's a great name what you picked up, Santosh. And on personal note, I remembered some times ago we had the 50th wedding anniversary and we had Anu Kapoor, and his personal right hand did not come and he didn't get the visa. And it is this group, Santosh's group, they helped him or actually worked with him for 2 days. And I think the program, I think some of you might have attended, was very successful. So I think we have to give our support to this group because they're the ones who are going to carry forward through the medium of music. I don't think I want to take any more time, but I would still say that the real guest of honors are the people who are going to be listening to this program. Thank you.
Thank you, Mahindra. खदे जब शहर से निकली तो गांव-गांव चली, कुछ यादें मेरे संग पांव-पांव चली। जब धूप में मैंने इनको देखा, तब इनसे मुझे तजुर्बा आया कि वो जिंदगी ही क्या जो छांव-छांव चली। मैं सुर और ताल और जो भी मेरे साथ जुड़ता है वो टीम बन जाती है, एक कारवां हमारा बन जाता है। लेकिन ये सब मुमकिन हो पाया आप सभी की वजह से। ये सब मुमकिन हो पाया जो सारे दिग्गज आज इस मंच पे खड़े, और ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं आज इस काबिल बन पाया हूँ कि इनके सामने खड़ा रह सकूँ, इनकी इज्जत कर सकूँ, और इस काबिल बन पाया कि आप सबका प्यार मोहब्बत हर शो के थ्रू पिछले 10 साल से मैं पा सकूं। आई एम सो वेरी ऑनर्ड, आई फील सो हम्बल्ड, थैंक यू सो मच। लेकिन मुझे इस शहर से शिकायत है आज। इस शहर में अच्छे लोग बाकी नहीं रहे। पूछिए क्यों? क्योंकि सारे अच्छे लोग यहां जो आ गए हैं, तो बाहर अभी बचा क्या है? सारे अच्छे लोग यहां पर हैं। So I really want to say this from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank you. Sur aur Taal basically is a concept. It wanted to be flexible, and it wanted to have a structure where it can go and help every single non-profit here in the Twin Cities and be a part of their events, their fundraisers, and raise funds for them, which we have successfully done through our shows. I'm hugely proud of. Every person here has been associated, has taught me, our team has learned a lot from them. Dr. Dash, we recently did Nostalgic 90s. He did a $to-dollar match. We raised, Sur aur Taal's Nostalgic 90s raised 800K, and he matched another 800K, 1.6 million, ladies and gentlemen. Annu Kapoor Antakshari, Mahendra Nath ji talked about, we had such a fabulous time doing that, and that led to doing Global Fantakshari, which became a global team. People from Australia, Dubai, and all over the countries, all over the 50 states joined during COVID times. Most of you may have participated in that game, Global Fantakshari, and through that and a couple other SWAT team events, we raised 120K for Indian Association of Minnesota under Srini Garu's able leadership. Another event we did, Black and White, we raised 42K. And friends, sometimes you think, oh, it's a profit organization. We get so many calls, humko discount chahiye, ticket chahiye. Today we get so many sponsors here. For Black and White, Sur aur Taal paid 11,000 from its own pocket. After one main person who committed, backed out, she's a very famous realtor here, but when she backed out, we paid for the entire thing for the cause, which was Shirdi Sai Baba Mandir. We just recently, it's not been like, more than 2-3 weeks that we are talking to ISKCON temple, and we said we will be available, whatever help. We showed up for the meeting. This kind gentleman here, Dr. Dash, was sitting, he just promised them 36K for this month. And not only that, he's been generous. He has offered to match their lifetime membership. Each lifetime membership is 2,000. So I think up to first 3. So for 100 lifetime membership that ISKCON will get, Dr. Dash will match to 2,000, so it will basically be 200K from Dr. Dash. And this speaks for what we have been doing in the back end. I mean, we do these shows, but we are doing this for a cause. While preserving the culture, the heritage, and the values. It's just not about shor sharaba. We bring everything with a theme. Black and White was 1950s to 1960s. Maestros and Melodies was 1960s musicians. And we did nostalgic 90s, focusing on 90s. Next year we are coming up with entertaining 80s. Please do attend. Ladies and gentlemen, this is basically what Suro Tal is. And I want to once again thank each one of you for being a part of this, coming forward, making this happen. Please, like our pages, help our sponsors here who come forward and help us again and again. I really appreciate that. And मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि जिन्हें आंधियों का डर था, वो अपने घर से चले ही क्यों? करे तूफानों से मुकाबला, जिन्हें हौसलों की तलाश है। और हुई बारिशें तो ज़मीं का कोई टुकड़ा फूलों से भर गया। हुई बारिशें तो ज़मीं का कोई टुकड़ा फूलों से भर गया, लेकिन मुझे दिए है नसीब ने उन्हीं फूलों की तलाश। Thank you, friends. Really appreciate it. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much, Santosh. Can we have all our stars on the dais for a group picture, please? And can we please have the lights? I will request Santosh to be in the center. Can we have all the lights turned on, please?
Can we switch that off?
Can we have this light turned on, please? Turn off. Sorry. I humbly ask everyone to take their seats so we can begin with our program.